To run a successful poultry farm, it is crucial to track and maintain accurate records of essential information. Tracking relevant data enables you to monitor the health, productivity, and profitability of your flock. The following are the essential information that poultry farmers should track. 1. Flock information. Number of birds, breeds, and ages. 2. Health records, vaccinations, medications, and treatments. 3. Feeding and nutrition. Feed types, quantities, and consumption. 4. Production data. Egg production, hatch rates, and weight gain. 5. Mortality rates. Tracking reasons for losses and trends. 6. Expenses and income. Financial records for better cost analysis. Let's now explain one by one of these essentials. 1. Flock details. Tracking flock details is fundamental to poultry farming. Record the number of birds in your flock, including different breeds and age groups. This information helps you understand the size and composition of your flock, allowing for effective resource planning and management. Additionally, keep track of individual bird identification, such as leg bands or wing tags, to monitor specific traits or performance indicators. 2. Health records. Maintaining accurate health records is vital for ensuring the well-being of your flock. Track vaccinations, medications, and treatments administered to individual birds or groups. Record the dates, types, and dosages of vaccinations and medications, as well as any adverse reactions or observations. Regularly updating health records allows you to monitor the flock's disease prevention measures and detect any patterns or issues that may arise. 3. Feeding and nutrition. Proper nutrition is essential for the health and productivity of your poultry. Keep records of feed types, quantities, and feeding schedules. Note any changes in feed formulations or feeding strategies, as well as feed consumption rates. By tracking feeding and nutrition data, you can optimize feed management, identify potential nutritional deficiencies or imbalances, and adjust diets accordingly to promote optimal growth and egg production. 4. Production data. Tracking production data provides valuable insights into the performance of your flock. Record egg production rates, hatch rates, and the number of eggs collected daily. Monitor weight gain in meat birds to assess growth and market readiness. Analyzing production data helps you identify seasonal variations, evaluate the effectiveness of breeding programs, and assess the overall productivity of your flock. 5. Mortality rates. Monitoring mortality rates is crucial for identifying potential health issues and improving flock management. Track the number of bird deaths, reasons for mortality, and trends over time. Document any disease outbreaks, predator attacks, or environmental factors that may contribute to mortality. Analyzing mortality data enables you to take proactive measures to mitigate risks, improve biosecurity, and implement appropriate health management strategies. 6. Expenses and income. Keeping accurate financial records is essential for managing the economic aspects of your poultry farm. Track expenses related to feed, medication, equipment, labor, utilities, and other operational costs. Document income from egg sales, meat sales, and any other revenue sources. By analyzing financial data, you can assess the profitability of your poultry farm, identify cost-saving opportunities, and make informed decisions about resource allocation and pricing strategies. Tracking essential information in poultry farming is key to effective management and decision-making. By diligently recording and analyzing data related to flock details, health, feeding, production, mortality, and finances, you can gain valuable insights into your farm's performance and identify areas for improvement. These records provide a foundation for implementing targeted strategies, optimizing resource utilization, and ensuring the health and productivity of your poultry flock. Regularly updating and reviewing the tracked information will contribute to the long-term success of your poultry farming operation. Thank you for watching.